In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer domain on GoDaddy. So the first thing that we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section of your browser, of course, and simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the GoDaddy website. If you're facing any issues with the language, like I did face some the first time I entered this website, make sure to scroll down until the bottom of that page. And here you'll be able to change your country and region. And of course, you can see on the right of it the language that comes with this country or region. And of course, you can even change your currency if you want. Once you do that and you're all done, you can just go and log in into your account at the top right corner here. If you have an account, just go and log in into it. And at the bottom of it, you'll find an option to create an account if you don't have an account. So once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen. So as we said in the beginning of this video is we would like to transfer domain. So first we wouldn't need this page. We'll have to go and open another tab. Then type simply dcc.godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, if they ask you to log in into your account again, make sure to do it. Now you will have to select any domain name here you have that you would like to forward it or transfer it to your other account, maybe. So once you select all the domain names that you want, for me I have just one. Simply, if you find here this transfer option, this will be cool. If you didn't, click at this more option or these three dots, and of course you'll find this transfer to account. Click on it, and as you can see, they'll actually ask you to enter the recipient's email address and re-enter that. Those two options are actually mandatory. You'll notice that by this star, this red star, and this is optional if you want, which is the recipient's customer. Of course, do you want to copy the current domain contact information to the new account? Make sure to select yes or no, whatever suits you, and click it then add the send transfer request. Then, of course, you'll have to wait a bit until it's transferred. It will not happen immediately. Maybe it will take 1 day maximum, and you'll be, yeah, at least it's going to be like take 1 day or 24 hours, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.